get them up. Everybody up, love we look, yeah, get them up. Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel guys. So today we're gonna swap out this. We're gonna put back the OEM one on it. And also this is the stage 3 high pressure fuel pump from AMS. See, it got the Alpha logo on it right there, as you guys could see. And in this video I'm gonna show you guys like how to take off your high pressure fuel pump or install it. So let's get into the video, man. But first, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and let's get into the video, man. Okay guys, so first you're gonna need a screwdriver or Allen key. So if you don't have it, you cannot pull these down here, you cannot pull the bolts. And make sure when y'all taking them apart, y'all take your time. Okay guys, so as I said, I'm gonna pull this slightly and the other side over here. So after we do that, we're gonna have to also pull off this line right here and this one. So we're gonna need a wrench for this one. This is what I have. So we're gonna pull this line first. Let me show you over here. So we're gonna pull this, then we're gonna take off this one. So let me slightly pull this one first, and then I'm gonna take off the other one. And also be careful, don't try to strip it. So just like that, it's gonna come off. I'm using one hand right now to show you guys, so see. So now we're gonna take this clip off, and also I'm gonna use this to take it off. Or if you guys got a flat point screwdriver, y'all could put it like right there. See the little flat part right here? Put it right there and pull it down like this. Let me show you. Just like that. And then you're gonna take your time, pull it off just like that. It's off. And don't lose this part, so be careful guys. Okay guys, so just like that, I took this piece off right here. So I took this piece off. So time to take out the fuel pump. And remember, do it side by side. I'm gonna do over here now. And it's easy guys. And make sure you guys got a rag or a cloth or something to put underneath the lines when you're taking it off. So just like that, it's off. Don't lose these. And just like that, high pressure fuel pump is off. As you can see, we got gas in it, got E85. So we're gonna set it aside real quick. Put it right here so you don't lose it. The screws right here. And yeah, that's how you guys take off your high pressure fuel pump. It's right there. I'm gonna clean up around it before I put back the OEM one. And also next video, I'm probably gonna drop a video like how to take off your injectors. Here's the line right here. So I'm gonna show you guys next video how to take off your injectors. So yeah guys, if you guys reach this far, as I said, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and let's get it. Let's put on back the OEM one. Okay guys, so here's the OEM high pressure fuel pump. The part number is right there. So that's the OEM, and this is the stage 3. So you guys see the difference. Stage 3. And also the bolts are different too. These are some 10s. So now we're gonna put back the OEM high pressure fuel pump. Let me see that real quick. So that's how it's gonna sit. So it's gonna sit just like that. So let me put back one of the screws right here real quick. Try to unthread it first, then we're gonna put back this side. Screw it with your hands first, as I said, because y'all don't want to wear it. And after you thread it with your hand, I'm gonna use the drill real quick, but I'm gonna try to take my time, side by side. Yeah, I'm gonna do it side by side. Let it sit seated flush. But y'all don't want to do it like too tight to thread it. So just like that. OEM high pressure fuel pump is on. Put back the connector right here, or I could do that last. So first let me put back these, the OEM connectors, and this one. But I think I'm gonna put back this one first, the iron one first. Then I'm gonna put back this one last. So I'm gonna put this on real quick, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so just like that, everything is on. Connect back everything. So make sure y'all don't forget to put back your clip, the connector piece right there. So that's how you guys install a high pressure fuel pump for the VR30. So that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.